Alright, 1.2 it's another question on ama multiple choice questions. Ngikhumbula ngisasemncane kanje, so bebathi mhlambe khabo mnganami bayo extenda khai kibo mhlambe, so bese naceda ba deliver isanta abazowakha ngayo, then into besithanda ukuyenza besithanda ukudlala lapha phezukwaleyo lokayo phezukwaleyo santa, sithatha ama box sigibele phezukwawo ceda siya slide down leyo lokayo leyo ntaba le si slide down leyo ntaba. But now uthatha ukubheka lo mntwana lo ugcoka isigcoko uwarm nje, ufake nama gloves futhi ugibele ini isledge. So lana ukuloka uku incline kanje, so la akhona I think kuse snowing ugibela isledge so that azowenzani azokwazi ukuslider, so that azoba naleyo experience besiba nayo phezukwaleya sante leya. Now bathi ke la a child on a sledge slides down a hill with acceleration a. The hill makes an angle theta with the horizontal. The mass of the child in the sledge is m. The acceleration of free fall is g. Bese bathi the frictional force is represented by, okay, so ukuthi bathi the frictional what force. As prepare a free body diagram for lo mntana lo. So this is friction. Sibuye sibe, alright, in fact there's two forces la, yeah, nayo le F friction F ngokuyenzani ya accelerator, then siyabuya sibe nani ne weight, but ungakhohlwa I weight nani inama components m parallel, not m but let's say w, the weight parallel component, weight perpendicular component, right? So sinama forces ayi-3 at play ayenza lo mntana ukuthi abe a slide it down. So now 1 2 and 3, right? And 3. Now check agela. In fact this one I think I should remove this one. Lena kwamele iphume bheka ke manje bheka. Alright, F net is equal to mass times acceleration. Angithi mass times acceleration. Now F net, let's say she choose a down as a positive, right? Down as a positive. So kule question abasitshela ukuthi down as positive, up as negative or whatever abasitsheli, so thina we are taking it down as positive. So bheka ke manje yoba weight parallel plus minus up, which is frictional force, equal to mass times acceleration. Alright, then siba ne weight parallel kuba mg. Since this is theta, this is the opposite side, adjacent side, so the opposite side is ukuthi lana kuba sine theta minus friction equal to mass times acceleration. So therefore ngifuna ukwenza F the subject of the formula, the frictional force ngiyayitransposer, I bring m a to the left hand side, therefore ngiba no mg sine theta minus m a equal to F. Taking m out as a common factor, I can see that sala g sine theta minus acceleration. Hola, answer to bani C. So 1.2 answered. Check out the description box for more videos for this question paper June 2023. For now, asponane on the next recording. Bye bye.